Ever wondered why some foods make you feel full faster than others? Like why a bowl of oatmeal seems to keep you satisfied for hours while a bag of chips leaves you rummaging through the pantry in no time? You're not alone. This is a question that piques the curiosity of many, and it all boils down to the fascinating world of food science and nutrition. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned to uncover the science behind it. Food science is not just about cooking. It encompasses a lot more. At its heart, food science is an interdisciplinary field that merges the worlds of biology, chemistry, and physics to understand the nature of food. It's the exploration of the why and how of the food we eat. Let's start with the basics. Food science is all about the study of the physical, biological, and chemical makeup of food. It aims to understand how these components interact with each other and with our bodies. This knowledge is then used in the creation, preservation, and enhancement of food products. For instance, have you ever wondered why bread rises when it bakes? Or why an apple turns brown when you cut it open and leave it out? Or maybe why milk turns into cheese? These are all questions food science seeks to answer. Now let's delve a bit deeper. The physical aspect of food science involves understanding the texture and sensory attributes of food, like why some foods are crunchy, while others are soft. The biological aspect, on the other hand, involves studying the bioactive components in food, like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are the elements that give our food its nutritional value and contribute to our health and well-being. Then there's the chemical makeup of food. This includes understanding the chemical reactions that occur during food processing and storage. For instance, the Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction that occurs when food is heated, is responsible for the browning and flavor development in a variety of foods, from toasted bread to roasted coffee. And let's not forget about food processing. This is where food science really shines, as it's used to develop new ways of preserving food, enhancing its nutritional value, and making it safer to consume. It's also the reason we have a wide variety of food products available to us, from canned vegetables to microwavable dinners. So you see, food science is more than just cooking. It's the science of understanding food and its impact on our health, culture, and society. In essence, food science is the backbone of what we eat and how we eat it. Nutrition is more than just calories. It's about nourishment. Picture this. You're at a party and there's a vast array of food spread before you. It's tempting to reach for the most delicious-looking dish, isn't it? But have you ever stopped to think about what's actually going into your body with each bite? Nutrition is the study of nutrients in food, how the body uses those nutrients, and the relationship between diet, health, and disease. It's an essential aspect of our lives, as it plays a significant role in our overall health and well-being. Now let's break it down a bit. Our body requires a variety of nutrients to function optimally, and these can be broadly categorized into proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Proteins are the body's building blocks. They're essential for growth and repair, and are also used to make enzymes, hormones, and other vital substances. This is why you often hear about athletes loading up on protein for muscle growth and recovery. Carbohydrates, on the other hand, are our body's primary source of energy. They're broken down into glucose, which is used to fuel our cells and keep our bodies running. But not all carbohydrates are created equal. Complex carbs found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are healthier options than simple carbs found in sugary drinks and pastries. Fats often get a bad rap, but they're necessary too. They provide energy, protect our organs, help absorb vitamins, and play a vital role in brain function. But again, not all fats are alike. Unsaturated fats are the good guys, while saturated and trans fats are best limited. In essence, nutrition is a delicate balancing act. It's about consuming a variety of foods in the right proportions to meet our body's needs. And it's not just about avoiding illness. Good nutrition can help us thrive, enhancing our physical and mental performance. So next time you're at that party, maybe take a moment to consider what's on your plate. After all, you're not just feeding your stomach, you're nourishing your body. So nutrition is not just about eating, it's about eating right. Food science and nutrition may seem like different fields, but they are closely intertwined. Let's delve into how these two disciplines dance together in a beautiful ballet of gastronomy and health. Food science is like the backstage crew in a theater production. It's the magic behind the scenes. It's all about the techniques and technologies that transform raw ingredients into the meals we enjoy. This discipline gives us the power to enhance the nutritional value of food, making it healthier and more beneficial for our bodies. Take a simple loaf of bread, for instance. Food science has discovered ways to fortify bread with essential nutrients like iron and folic acid, turning a humble slice into a powerhouse of nutrition. We've found ways to reduce harmful elements like trans fats in food, and we've developed methods to make food safer by eliminating harmful bacteria and extending shelf life. Now let's flip the coin and look at nutrition. This is our body's script for health and well-being. It tells us what nutrients we need and how to get them. It guides our choices, encouraging us to reach for that fortified bread instead of a sugary donut. But here's where the plot thickens. Nutrition isn't just about what we eat, but also about how our bodies process it. And guess who helps us understand this process better? Yes, food science. It unravels the mysteries of how our bodies break down and absorb nutrients, helping us make more informed dietary choices. So you see, food science and nutrition are not just connected, they're co-stars on the stage of our health. They're a dynamic duo, each playing a crucial role. Food science makes food safer, more nutritious, and more exciting. Nutrition, on the other hand, guides our food choices and helps us understand our body's needs and responses. To sum it up, food science and nutrition are like a well-rehearsed dance duo, each anticipating and complementing the other's moves. They work together to enhance the quality of our lives, making food not just a source of sustenance, but also a tool for health and well-being. Food science and nutrition are two sides of the same coin, each influencing and complementing the other. Remember the question we started with? Let's delve into why some foods make you feel full faster. Have you ever pondered why a small bowl of oatmeal can leave you feeling fuller for longer than a large bag of potato chips? The answer lies in a concept called satiety. Satiety is that pleasant feeling of fullness you get after eating. It's the force that tells you to put down the fork. It plays a significant role in controlling our food intake and is influenced by a multitude of factors, two of the most important being fiber and protein. Fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies cannot digest, is a superhero when it comes to promoting feelings of fullness. When you consume fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, the fiber forms a gel-like substance in your stomach. This gel slows down digestion, keeping you feeling full for longer. Plus, fiber-rich foods often require more chewing, which gives your brain extra time to receive the "I'm full" signals from your stomach. Now let's talk about protein. It's not just for bodybuilders, you know. Protein is essential for everyone, and it's a major player in the satiety game. Foods high in protein, like lean meats, eggs, and legumes, take longer to digest than fats or carbohydrates. This slow digestion means you'll feel satisfied for longer after a protein-rich meal. Furthermore, protein stimulates the release of hormones that signal fullness to your brain. But it's not just about eating fiber and protein. These nutrients need to be balanced with healthy fats and complex carbohydrates to ensure a steady release of energy. This balance helps to prevent those pesky hunger pangs and sudden energy crashes that can lead to overeating. So the next time you feel full, remember it's not just about quantity, but also quality. Choosing foods that are rich in fiber and protein can help keep you satisfied for longer, supporting your overall health and well-being. It's the science of satiety at work, making you feel good from the inside out. We've talked about feeling full, but what about feeling nourished? Have you ever wondered why we need to eat a variety of foods rather than just sticking to our favorites? That's where the concept of balanced nutrition comes into play. Balanced nutrition is not just about filling our bellies. It's about fueling our bodies with the right kind of nutrients. Imagine your body as a complex machine. Just like a car needs the right blend of fuel, oil, and water to run efficiently, our bodies require a balanced mix of nutrients to function at their best. There are three major categories of nutrients that we need in large quantities: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates provide us with quick energy, proteins are essential for growth and repair, and fats are a concentrated source of energy and help absorb certain vitamins. While these are required in larger quantities, it doesn't mean we should fill our plates solely with pasta, steaks, and butter. We also need vitamins and minerals, albeit in smaller amounts, but they are just as crucial. Vitamins like C and E act as antioxidants, protecting our cells from damage. Minerals like calcium and iron are key to maintaining strong bones and carrying oxygen in our blood respectively. A balanced diet doesn't mean eating the same thing every day, but varying our food intake to include different types of nutrients. This could mean adding a colorful salad to your meal, snacking on nuts and seeds, or even swapping your white bread for a whole grain one. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Balanced nutrition is essential for maintaining our overall health. It can help us maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and even improve our mood and energy levels. So next time you plan your meals, think beyond just feeling full. Consider what nutrients your body needs and how you can incorporate them into your diet. Remember, a balanced diet is not about eating one thing in excess, but about eating a little of everything. So, what have we learned today? We've embarked on a fascinating journey, exploring the intricate world of food science and nutrition. We've peeled back the layers of knowledge, discovering how these two fields interconnect and how they shape our understanding of what we eat and how it affects our bodies. We started off by establishing the basics of food science. It's an exciting field that blends biology, chemistry, and physics to understand the nature of food, how it's made, how it's processed, and how it's preserved. Food science answers many of our everyday questions. Why do apples turn brown? How does yeast make bread rise? And let's not forget that it's thanks to food science that we can enjoy a scoop of ice cream on a hot summer day without it melting instantly. Then we delved into the world of nutrition. Nutrition is all about understanding the nutrients in our food. The proteins, carbs, fats, vitamins, and minerals. It's about knowing how these nutrients affect our bodies and how they can help us maintain good health, fight off diseases, and live longer, healthier lives. We discussed how food science and nutrition interact. It's a beautiful dance that happens every time we eat. Food science helps us create and preserve the food, while nutrition tells us how that food fuels our bodies. They work together to give us delicious, nutritious meals that not only satisfy our taste buds but also keep us healthy and energized. We touched on the science behind feeling full. It's not just about how much you eat, but what you eat. Foods high in fiber and protein can help us feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack and helping maintain a healthy weight. We emphasize the importance of balanced nutrition. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or following the latest diet fad. It's about understanding your body's needs and giving it a variety of nutrients from different sources. It's about eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. And now, we're here, bringing it all together. Food science and nutrition are not just academic subjects. They're life skills, essential tools in our journey towards a healthier lifestyle. They teach us to make informed decisions about what we eat, helping us to maintain a healthy weight, boost our immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So, let's keep exploring these wonderful fields. Let's keep learning about the magic that happens every time we cook a meal or bite into a juicy apple. Because food science and nutrition are not just scientific fields, they are essential tools for a healthy life. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep eating right. As we wrap up, remember, every bite you take is a science experiment in your mouth. Each morsel of food you eat, each sip of drink you take, is a fascinating journey into the world of food science and nutrition. This journey is just beginning. Continue exploring the complex dance of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals that fuel your body. Make it a point to understand not just what you eat, but why you eat it, how it nourishes you, and what it means for your overall health. Try to apply the principles we've discussed today in your daily life. Make conscious choices about your diet. Recognize the science that underpins your meals. And remember, the food you consume doesn't just fill your stomach, it fuels your life. So keep learning, keep exploring, keep questioning, stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, the science of food is the science of